looking good, looking stylish. Top three, trying to make it through. Let's see who's up there on this one. Number 57. Over right in second place. Another man down on the inside. Beautiful. Check it out. Top three. A-fight. We're waiting for, it looks like Oliver Cope. Yeah, he's on the gate. Here we go. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Let's see what they're going to get there. Somebody's going to get the number one title. Going round. Number 12 looking good. Number 15 trying to put it through there now. The E5 back in there. Let's see. Looks like the guy's going to wrap it up. He's got the final corner. Top three looking good. They go down the last straight. And the E5 on again. Nice. Katie. Buckaroo. Annie. Zara. Let's see who's going to be in this B-final as they go through. So, number 12, fine. All trying to get it together. Isabel Rook. Number 9, Katie. Cosgrove. In the second place. Somebody's trying to keep it good. It is the B-final. Last corner. B-final 13 to 14-year-olds. Okay. Looking for the world number 8. Somebody wants to play. Somebody wants to be the national champion. Look at there. Roll 8. Lord. Amber. Orange Bubble. Let's see who's getting through. Number 9. Trying to make it up. Featherstone. Trying to get close to the wall. The world leader. It's looking a bit more. She's putting the pedals in. Can she keep the momentum going though? Third place is being challenged. Down the last straight. Who's going to keep it together? There they go. Across the line. Energy all the way. Nice. B-final. Working it out. Kenny. All in there. Working it. Can he hold on to this one? Needs to keep it together. Looks like he can prove that he can make an A-final. This guy's looking pretty quick. Nice and easy. Number 1 in the plate. Even Craig Gospel. Nice. All the way in front. Look at her trying to make her way through. Number 80. Looking good. Frankie Watts from Derby in the top 3. Water in there. Challenging for the third place. B-final. A-final. Luke Schreiber, TNT. Jack Orban, Joe Clark. James Bearman, Preston. Gospel. Lewis Holmes, Manchester. Eva Winston, Gospel. And Matthew Hutt from the Hawks. Here the game goes down. He gets in the start. He's keeping it in there. The big boys are overpowering at this one. Shane is trying to get the other side. It's looking good. Let's see who's going to get it. 40, 48, 4. He's followed by number 4. Joe Clark is really trying to catch it. Can they keep it together? There's somebody. Can they make the move? Last straight. It's going to be Morgan. Are they going to get it? Look at this. All the way. So, B-final goes down. Looking good. Good experience for some of the riders that can make it to the final. They are absolutely doing well here. So this is the B-final. Louis Edwards making his way, Killer Sharp at the back. Looks like the nice boy up in front. Taking it easy, Christian White. He's got it in the back for the B-final. Okay, 15-year-olds. These guys are in the gate and they're good to go. Reece Deans. Joe Pearl. Finley Mead, Andover. Jay Green's Derby. James King, Royston. Charlie O'Grady, Braintree, Jacob Wilkinson, Preston, and Callum Knight. Somebody got some good stuff. What's the GT line? Somebody's trying to go. Looks like number 3. Nice. So, they're racing through. Number 3, Joel Park, trying to get up in there. But let's see who's in there. Looks like the number 4. Ridley Lee Graham over. It's going to be tough. Let's see what happens in the last corner. It's going to be a battle. O'Grady's in there. Let's see what happens. This one doing really well. Megan, Emily, Olivine, Amy, Aisha handling this one. B final, giving them another chance to have a run. Making sure next time they make the A final. Okay, female 15-16 on the gate. Benito Nunnish, Lenny Henry, Isabel Bradford, Wally Spears, Elena Stratford, Lynette Hanshaw, Maiden Matthews, and Mary Johnson. Female 15-16 on the gate.
Just drop me a text message.
Final going down now. Who's going to put the pedal to the metal? Check it out. Your bicycle, Factory T, Maple, London Buddy. These guys are going for it. It's all about coming across UK. Number 2 on the plate. She looks like she's doing well. I don't think she's from this country, but she's the lady in front right now. Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4. Who's knocking on the door? Here's a challenger for first place. Don't look like she's going to get it. Place riders going for second. Can she hold it together? Looks like we're going to have a track race down to the finish line. But it looks like number 2, Univelis, makes the win. Okay, so the big final on the way. These guys proving that they should be in the final. Definitely looking a bit tight in there in that corner. Big final looking good. Brandon, Owen, Callum, Oliver, Daniel, Big Horn. Nice on the back. Nathan Watts, Darby, looking good. Somebody takes it on the inside. Nice move. CJ Ravi, Ross Callum, Neil Vanstein, Callum Elbridge, Nathan Wood, Mason Charlie, Ian Hector, and multi-champion, well known for England, Great Britain, Ryan Martin. Jason Nichols, Ian Gunner, the commentator from earlier on, Neil Stewart, Brett Knight, Stuart Campbell, and everybody wants one of these, John Bentley, Lee Pear, and the favourite, and one of my good friends, Darren Reedy. This one's going to be fast, like I expected. Darren Reedy, the man from the past, is back and flying. Full GT, good, all good. Somebody went down, number 1, number 21. Darren Reedy, looking good. Jason Nichols up there, read the sheet. Let's see if they can hold on to it. Darren Reedy has absolutely blitzed the field. Nothing there to see. He's the champion. Mr. Nichols second. And then the good third. Gate goes down, it's all good. When we look at the big final, riders that could have made it through that should have been in there. Somebody was going very, very high. 303, Darren Richardson. Nice. And they go through Matthew Allen, Simon Johnson, Gary O'Reilly, Nick Hill. Look at the guy in front. He looks like he's got it wrapped up. Lee Stewart. Nice. Around the last corner. Down the straight. That's the big final. James Wilson. The man with the VIP entrance. Martin Ogden. John Linistone. Sultan Moody. Favourite Ian Sharp. Been around a long time as a veteran in the game. Alan Hill. And somebody who I've known for over 25 years, Scott Bowman. And the people's favourite, big, heavy Mike Peter. Scott Bowman, a big mountain bike rider who definitely knows what to do when it comes down to it. Alan Hill's trying to chase. It looks like Scott Bowman, Alan Hill, round the last corner. It's a wrap. Roll time. Big win. Try and come through. Looking good. Nice one. Hey. Big final on the way. Looking good there. These guys are looking really quick. X8, Honey Evans, Aaron Edwards up in there. Also, Andrew Klukas doing that for Manchester. South, Mark Murphy up in there as well. Looks like they wrap this right good.